Thank you guys for tuning in with One Side Diagnostics. Today we have an interesting case study. I normally don't do a lot of these because I typically try to make it fast and quick, but I believe there won't be a good one to teach while this thing scans. Put the windows down. Okay. We'll have to move some stuff around. And I need that box right there. Okay. Okay, let's get set up. First thing we're going to do is get a test light. Okay, still loading. While that does that, let's get hooked up over here. Because my complaint is that there is no spark on the coils. You can see the two brand new coils that doesn't work. Well, that is loading. Let's get some gloves. So let me go ahead and start getting this vehicle set up. It is a 2005. Lincoln MKT. As you can see, it's still loading. It says intake camshaft position timer were retarded, bank 2, misfire number 7, camshaft position on bank 2, intermediate circuit on bank 2, 7. Some of these I'm going to raise the codes because so we could start with clean slate, because he was moving around some stuff and we don't want to get confused. So let's put on there. Codes are erased. Our main issue is misfire, and also the timing on bank 2. Right now I could feel it shake. What's that? Misfire present, yes. Let me see if I can get it. numbers on misfire is 5. After test, all functions, cylinder, power balance. You can see number 5. Number 5 is a cylinder that is not contributing at all. So I believe we have a good reference, diagnosis, control, PCM, recodes, well, that does that. I'm going to look up the firing order. So we have ignition, coil E, primary, secondary circuit, A, B, C, D, E. Is number 5. 5 is the one that we have installed, which is that one over there. And then we have a engine oil temperature sensor out of range. I'm not here for that. Or the power steering pressure switch. Also, I'm not here for that. So let's get over here and let me show off this vehicle. But here in the diagram, sorry, as you can see, number 5 is light green with yellow, that's our control, and pink with white is our power feed. My bad, I wasn't sure that you guys were able to see, but you guys can see here, pink with white, that's our power feed, light green with yellow, that's our control. Let's switch this over. Okay. Tesla lights up. You can see it does not light up. Let me go ahead and do this again to this one. As you guys can see, that does light up. Now time to check our command. Make sure our command is working. At this point, there is a rub through wire. That was close. Fan was going to town with it. see, not working. On this one, give one sec, let me get this situated. This is no good. Guys, you see it does light up. Here's our bag. Totally bad, but you can see the bulb is lighting up. So all we do have is just a faulty wire. Now, time to look for places I'll rub through. As you guys can see that right there, that's a full rub through. I could go ahead and just grab this and it will just come right off. We're going to repair the wire and the truck should be fixed on this part. Now we have to fix the other side of this issue. Okay, before you guys kill me, there's a reason to use a butt connector, that string tube, when it has time and place. I used them a lot before, I never had an issue. So please don't kill me. You can see now, till it lights up. I'm going to heat shrink it and start checking the rest of the truck and go from there. Now you guys can see, that is string tube. So on that Lincoln I think it was an MKT. When I'm recapping most of the videos and trying to do some edit. The cylinder with misfire, I think was number 5. Got fixed. It started to idle smooth. It just made a noise. So I use a stethoscope connected to a pressure transducer, but the pulse sensor. Sorry, I'll take that back. And I started going on the timing cover to try to find out where the noise is coming from. And I pinpointed to one of the phasers. So I recommended to go ahead and remove the cover. Timing was on. Timing was perfect. But there was a little bit of slack on the timing chain. It wasn't enough that it was straight to chain. It was just enough that it will make noise. Because I don't think the vehicle was taken care of properly. Because I went back after the shop started taking apart the front timing cover, and I noticed that the chains have seen better days, and the oil wasn't, let's say it wasn't kept up like the way it should be.